people, today we're there and shutting up like I doing some rice and peas and jerk pork and apple juice. You know? And see the pork here, already cooked. I have to put it up on the grill now. Yeah, see the apple there, already clean up the blend. And see the pepper on the grill. So the pork soon go up on the grill, you know? So you can stay tuned for the video, guys, and leave a like on the video. Comment below and tell me what you think about this video. Tell me how you prepare funo jerk pork, right? Because some people don't cook it, then just season it and just throw it on the grill. But we cook it and then grill it. Completely how me do it, right? We cook it with scallion, thyme, garlic, pepper and all that. When you cook now, do it already. So you can check out the video, man. Do it already. Or check out how him do it now. Him just season it and then cook it, right? And then put on the grill. Me cook it and then season it and then put it on the grill. Yeah. And see once I cook it now, I'm try on it. Right? So come below and tell me how you do it. But I'm do a jerk pork video or how me do it. So I'll leave a link to that video in the description, so you can just scroll down, click it, and go over there and look at how me do it, right? Yeah, man. So stay tuned, guys. And also I think the piece cook already, you know, so I'm showing what I'm going. Yeah, man. So the piece cook already, and coconut milk in a pot already. Yeah, original native dry coconut milk. This. So I can ginger the apple juice. Okay, there's no ginger apple night, you know. Feel a nice flavor there.
Yeah. Yeah, man.
So that guy's put gun and pangula now.
Go find it.
Yeah, man, guys. So see the first turn there. See like it's pretty color there. Yeah, man. I'm making apple juice, guys. Apple juice very refreshing and nice. And guys, see what going on? See what pretty? Yeah, man. We're seasoning up rice and peas, I know. So rice soon can throw in. See, it look nice, guys, like a pea soup. Yeah, man, that is it. Come make a tomorrow rice to me, man. So our button sauce now, guys, on the pork. So it look nice. Yeah, man. But the part here, guys, not have much lean on the car. The part of head, I pork head, this is a jerk. I put a piece of head. Yeah. So it look nice. Yeah, man, guys, so I take a piece of pork now, you know. Mm-hmm.
You say one for even.
Mm-hmm. I'm the sauce itself too funny.
But that make it when you don't like how it tastes.
Oh.
So never put some other one about it for fun.
Yeah man guys, so I'm going here now. So rice pretty and nice. Original native jerk whatnot.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Original.
So but the right guys, our pork. I know people don't eat pork in the boat. Guys, to me, pork, I want the next meat, I swear. Pork, very, 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 very nice. So if I can give me what I pork, so. I'll show them my food now, guys. See that? And one thing this shorter. Some veggies on the side. Yeah, man. Salad pork lover. Taste the rice now, guys, and see what I want to eat, you know? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Got my head. I'm afraid of it. Which one? Come on, guys. The bad man can't taste the coconut milk and the rice. Alright, guys, so see there? Crime scene. And there. Yeah. Would mash up. So the boss belly full, you know? Alright, see there? Mash up. Yeah, man, guys, my day just don't pressure up, you know? Yeah, man, alright, so I'm going to close out the video. So, remember, leave a like on the video. Tell me on prefer the jerk pork. Yeah, man. Just comment below rice and peas and jerk pork and every day here. Share out the video. For the Instagram, Jeff876 and Yes Adventures. The link to the page them down below. In the descriptions, you can scroll down, click it, go over there and give me a follow. So, I'll catch you now.
Yes, I.
In the next video, so look more.